Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow apps access to Bluetooth sharing on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings go down and tap on Screen Time. Next we go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now go down and tap on Bluetooth sharing, and then in here enter the screen time passcode. Next, in here you can tap on Allow Changes or Don't Allow Changes and select one of the options. If you choose Don't Allow Changes, you can go down here and then you can tap on the apps to allow it or don't allow it. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.